Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you today with a giveaway. My giveaway is going to be a brand new Peaceful Moments Stampin' Up! Stamp set. This is my favorite go-to sentiment set. I love all of the different sentiments you can use on different cards, and I love this script. I am going to hold my giveaway through this Friday, November 12th, and then pick a winner and do a video announcing that winner on Saturday, November 13th. All that you have to do to enter this giveaway is follow me on Instagram, like this post, leave me a comment with what your favorite Stampin' Up! Stamp set is, because I would love to hear what that is, and then also tag as many friends as you'd like. For each friend that you tag will be one entry into this giveaway. I just want to say thank you guys so much for following me on Instagram and leaving me all these wonderful comments on my cards. I absolutely love checking out everybody else's sites and seeing your beautiful cards and leaving you guys comments as well, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.